Mabuhay! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ang ating namang topic ngayon o paksa ay tinatawag nating Geometric Series. Okay, for example, halimbawa, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series 3, -6, 12, and -24. So we are now identifying first a sub 1. Ano daw ang a sub 1? That is 3. Then what is the common ratio? That is -6 divided by 3 is equivalent to -2. So by using the formula, S sub n is equivalent to a sub 1 quantity 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r. So since we are asking to find the first 10 terms of the geometric series, so we have here a sub 10 is equivalent to a sub 1 ay 3. Then 1 minus r is -2. -2. So we are put inside a parenthesis to separate the negative sign. And then raised to the 10 power. So we have here all over 1 minus -2. So we have here 3. Then copy 1. Then copy -2 to the 10th power. So that is negative. Exponent is 10. Automatic. This is positive. So 2 to the 10th power is 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. Times 2, 64. Times 2, 128. 128 times 2, 256. 256 times 2, that is 512. Times 2, that is 1,024. So we write here 1,024. So we can erase now the parentheses because, again, negative sign raised to the 10th power. So that is an even number, automatic positive. So positive times negative, the answer is negative. All over 1, copy, negative times negative, positive 2. So we have here 3, then 1 minus -1024, the answer is -1023. All over 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we are now cancel 3. So the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series 3, -6, 12, and -24 is -1023. So this is the S sub 10. Okay, let us have now for number 2 example. So find the sum of the first 6 terms of the geometric series with first term 40 and common ratio 1/2. So we have here a formula, S sub n equals a sub 1 quantity 1 minus r raised to the n, then all over 1 minus r. Again, we are asking to solve the sum of the first 6 term. So we have here S to the S sub 6 equals a sub 1 is 40, then quantity 1 minus our ratio is, common ratio is 1/2, and then raised to the 6, then all over 1 minus 1/2. So again, copy 40, then copy 1 minus 1 raised to the 6th power, the answer is still 1. Then 2 to the 6th power, again, 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2, 32, times 2, 64. Okay, over 64. Then, all over, 1 minus 1 half is 1 half. Then, we have here 40. Then, copy 1 minus, okay, we can erase here the parentheses now. We are solving the difference. So, that is 64. 64 times 1, that is 64. 64 divided by 64, that is 1. Times negative 1, that is negative 1. All over, again, 1 half, and then is equivalent to 40 times 64 minus 1, that is 63 over 64. And then again, division will become multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of 1 half, which is 2. And then we can cancel them. That is 40. Then 63 over 32. Again, we can cancel 40 and 32 because they are both divisible by 8. So, 40 divided by 8 is 5. And then times 63. Then, 32 divided by 8, that is 4. So, simplify. 5 times 3, that is 15. 5 times 6, that is 30. Plus 1, 31 over 4. So, the sixth term of the geometric series is 315 over 4. Okay, let us now have example number 3. So, suppose Dave saves 100 pesos in January, and that each month thereafter we manage to save 1/2 more than of what he saved the previous month. How much is Dave saving after 10 months? So we have here geometric series 100, 150, and 225, and so on and so forth. So A sub 1 here is 100, and then R is 150 divided by 100 is equivalent to 3 over 2. So by using the formula, S sub n equals A sub 1, quantity 1 minus R to the n, all over 1 minus R. Substituting the given value, so 10 months, we write here S sub 10 is equivalent to A sub 1 is 100 times 1 minus common ratio is 3/2, and then raised to the 10th power, and then all over 1 minus 3/2. Then copy again 100 times the quantity 1 minus again 3 to the 10th power. So we have here 3xy to the 10, that is 59,049. So 59,049 all over 2 to the 10th power. So 2xy to the 10th power is equivalent to 1,024. All over 1 minus 3/2 is equivalent to negative 1/2 equals 100. Then we have here 1,024 times 1, that is 1,024, minus 1,024 divided by 1,024, that is 1, and then times 59,049, the answer is 59,049. And then all over negative 1/2. And then that is 100. So, 59, 49, 10,000, 1,024 minus 59,049, it gives us negative 58,025 all over 1,024. And then again, all over negative 1/2. Then cancel negative. And then we have here 100 times the quantity 58,025 over 1,024. Then again, division will become multiplication. And then the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. Then we can cancel 2 and 1,024. So the answer is 100 times 58,025 all over. Okay. 1024 divided by 2. The answer is 512. So 5,802,500 divided by 512 is equivalent to 11,333.01. So, this is the total Dave saved after 10 months.